Both Vice President Leni Robredo and Senator Kiko Pangilinan called for a further study of Sinovac. They both mentioned that Sinovac must have a positive recommendation from the Health Technology Assessment Council or HTAC. How important is the HTAC recommendation? Kasi sinasabi po nila both Pfizer and AstraZeneca meron daw po nitong recommendation na to. Is this a requirement?
Sir, or would you like me to answer that? HTAC. Okay, Maricel, I will answer that as the primary author of the Universal Healthcare Law. And we included that, and I remember the discussions in Congress, in the 17th Congress on HTAC. HTAC was never intended to have the same function as the Food and Drug Administration. Pagdating po sa issue ng ligtas at epektibo, yung decision po ng FDA remains. Bakit ba po kami nag-provide ng provision yan doon sa panukalang batas? Kasi importante po na masala natin kung ano yung essential services na ibibigay natin sa taong bayan na libre, ano yung non-essential na mga services at gamot. Hindi po natin ginawang intensyon sa batas na yan na maghuhusga ang HTAG sa naging naunang husga na ng FDA. At ipaglalaban ko po yan dahil ako naman po ang nagsulong ng Universal Healthcare Law. So tama po, nakasaad po doon, meron silang rekomendasyon kung bibilin gamit ang pondo ng taong bayan. But the decision is still the decision of the Secretary of Health. Okay, I hope that is clear. At dahil ako naman po ang nagsulong niyan sa mababang kapulungan sa Kongreso at nauna kami sa mababang kapulungan ng 1 taon o 2 taon bago naipasa ng Senado yung version nila, eh siguro naman po, you can give me some credit na I know what I speak of. Dahil naging controversial din po itong HTAC provision sa committee hearing sa Congress.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.